The chicks are 4 weeks old today. They've been spending the past few nights in the coop out here, so they're no longer kept in the house. If it gets below 40 degrees or so at night, I turn on 2 heat lamps instead of the 1 to keep them nice and toasty. But, so here they are, 4 weeks old, enjoying the chicken run. So it's like, we have like 70-degree weather, and it looks like, yeah, the light brahmas and the barred rocks like to be outside the most. So the Rhode Island Reds, I don't know, there's usually a couple of them out, but oh wait, I do see at least one under the chicken coop there. But it looks like all the others are still in the coop, but they'll come out when they're ready. But yeah, these birds are quite adventurous. Which is surprising because usually the Rhode Island Reds, they come out and greet me right away. But yeah, the barred rocks especially like to come by and untie my shoes for me. They're like pulling at the shoelaces. Yeah, I got one brave Rhode Island Red. I'm not sure. That one's making a lot of funny faces. It's not liking what it's eating. Hi. So yeah, 4 weeks old. A lot of them are pretty personal. They like to come out and greet. I guess let's take a look at the inside the coop. See what the others are up to. Oh, they're just in the back chilling out there. Good afternoon, ladies. What's you up to? It's like at least 6, 7 of them are in there. Oh wait, is that 8? Yep, 8. Yep, look at that. So yeah, 4 weeks old. I got a little one nestled in there, and then I got the brave one here. But yeah, they're enjoying it. Their choices, whether they're outdoors, indoors, or wherever. Get the door open for them. So they'll probably all come out later when they're ready. So thanks for watching. God bless.